Hey guys, Zeb Productions here, and in this video I'm taking a look at the Logitech G29 Driving 4 steering wheel for the PlayStation 4, PlayStation 5, and PC. This was $250 on Amazon, and the link will be down in the description below if you guys are interested in purchasing. Also, this is only compatible with select games, so make sure you do check what those games are. One of those games is The Crew 2, and pretty much all of Need for Speed games on PS4 and PS5. Actually bought this for GTA 5 and I was let down that you can't use it on GTA 5. Then I had to buy The Crew 2. And here's some information on the back you guys can pause and read. Side note, The Crew 2 is actually a pretty fun game and they have some nice cars in there. Pretty outdated, but it's a nice game nonetheless. Inside you're greeted by some instruction manuals and warnings. So the force feedback on the steering wheel is pretty strong and it can, believe it or not, injure people, especially younger ones. So definitely be careful with that. Here's a quick start guide with support numbers on the back. It was relatively easy to set this up, and yes, this does have to be plugged in to the wall as well. Here's a bunch of cables. There's the power supply. And here's the connector from the power supply to the wall. Here's the power supply brick itself. You guys can read the wattage and voltage information on the back. DC plug-in. And here's the pedal set plug-in. This goes into your steering wheel. Here's some paperwork advertising this play seat, GT racing seat that they're partnering up with, I guess. And here's another instruction booklet. Here's the steering wheel itself. It's got a good bit of weight on it. And the steering wheel has a 920-degree rotation. It also has paddle shifters, which is really nice. On the bottom is where you plug everything in, and there's also cable management slots too. Here's the USB that goes into your PlayStation. There's only one USB. And here's the pedal set. There's three. There's a clutch too. Clutch, brake, accelerator. And that was it. Thanks so much for watching. I will see you guys next video. Have an amazing day, and link to purchase is down in the description below if you guys are interested. Take care.